Good afternoon. Today we are at Kumar Princeville. We have a guest with us today. Let us introduce yourself, sir, please.
Myself Suman Sonone. I'm an IT consultant working from Hinjewadi. So I'm basically located in Pune from last 13 years. In short, I am a Pune resident only, and I was looking for a 3 BHK spacious flat around this area in PCMC, which is well developed. So I came across a site of Kumar Properties, which is Kumar Princeville, and I oftenly goes from this area, and I saw the site which was properly developed by the Kumar Properties.
Sir, how do you come to know about this project basically?
So basically, I'm working in Hinjewadi, and most of my associates are resident of Kumar Properties. So from there, I got to know about the Kumar Properties. So most of my colleagues and my managers are living in Kumar Properties because of its reputation.
Sir, how was your interaction with the sales guys as well as the engineering guy out over here?
So the sales guy Sunil was very helpful. He gave the transparent information and all the necessary information and brochure related to the property. He also introduced and show us the sample flats, explained what are the amenities and how the flow of the information will go in a stepwise manner.
An engineering point of view?
From engineering point of view, Bias was a person. He was very helpful as I was looking for a flat on the top floor at 12th floor. So obviously my questionnaire got increased because of my requirement. So on the 12th floor I had few pointers which I need to clear out from the site manager, like leakage and the hotness which generally observed at the top floor. So the site manager helped me in a detailed manner what all different tests they have performed on the top floor and how it will help me in the long run.
Sir, since you told me that you are already staying over here for the last 13 years, how do you see the development out over here? Since the road just in front of your society have been widened, backside road have come up, we have a school which is coming up over here. So how about your experience about this whole locality?
So I have been staying in Pimpri Chinchwad from last 13 years, and I have located out of different areas in PCMC. So as I am seeing the development of PCMC, this is the till now the most developed area of PCMC in a well planned manner, as most of the sites, as you said, are located in different areas, but Kumar Properties are located in a very strategic area which is near to the upcoming COEP post-graduation college. In front of that there is a Morwadi court, so the transportation and connectivity is obviously going to get developed, as we all know that Kumar Properties are in road touch to the Spine Road plus the other Nasik Highway Road, so it will be the better connectivity if you want to go in any direction of the Pune area.
Sir, what do you want to say about the amenities out over here?
So the amenities are fully classical. So we have a very decorative clubhouse plus the podium area. Also the entrance of the society is also very attractive. So the first impression of my getting into this building was the lobby area, which leave an enormous impact on me. So and the other different amenities are also very good, which is very essential and helpful. There is no extra amenities added by the builder, which we see oftenly in other areas, but whatever the requirement and whatever the basic necessity is there, which is fulfilled by the Kumar Properties.
Sir, you are staying in this society right now. How do you find the atmosphere out over here? Your colleagues out over here, means your neighbors out over here. How it is, sir?
So I have recently shifted to this society in last 1 month. So all the neighbors and all the people are very friendly, very helpful, and all the joyful atmosphere they have created over here. And the society which is formed of Kumar Properties, the builder has transformed it. It was the transaction was very seamless. Plus the other different kinds of events they conducted in Kumar Properties in Kumar Princeville, the response from the all guys and all the families over here was a tremendous response, and in total the environment is very lively.
Sir, would you like to refer your friend, relatives to Kumar Properties?
Definitely, there is no other place like Kumar Properties in PCMC area. So I have already referred many people for this property, and in future also I will refer. I will definitely recommend this property to my friends and my contacts.
Sir, last question. Many a times it happens that whenever you are going for an interview or such thing, there are certain things which are left out. As a Kumar brand, what you will suggest?
So, as Kumar is a brand, so what is brand? So brand is the standard. So the construction which Kumar Properties offer and the process, from the initial requirement to the final delivery, the process is seamless, transparent, and in standardized manner. So you won't find any gaps in this process, and it is a hassle-free process. So you will definitely enjoy it. Plus, the architecture of the property is in such a way that all the lights and the air, healthy atmosphere it creates in each bedroom or each rooms of the flat. So I'll definitely recommend this. So it is one of the best builder from Pune, and for me it is the best builder in PCMC area.
Sir, anything lack this thing, any negativity, what is there, what we have been left out? Any advices?
I don't feel so, but definitely we can improve some customer experience, which is a developing or evolving area. So there is no as such negative points, but that is a customer experience which is an area on which we can focus on.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for sharing your experience.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.